In this video, we are going to find toppers in physics, chemistry, mathematics, every student's individual grade, total marks, average marks, who is a topper in the class, everything be there, subject topper. Can you see top marks? Physics topper, who is physics topper? If you see physics topper in 92, D4 is 2, 5, D4 is 2. Who is chemistry topper? D4, chemistry topper, 91, D4. Who is math topper? 5, 95 marks, math topper 95 marks. Then again class topper by average, subject topper, class topper, and their grades. These are the grades: A grade, B grade, A plus grade, D grade, and class subject average means average physics marks, average chemistry marks, average mathematics marks. So here we are using Django's database methods. Okay, so for that this is the, you have to little bit explore more. This is not the video for beginners actually. So let us see the code. Now what did I do? I just put the prompt in ChatGPT that I want to use. Okay, I want to find this topper, class topper, subject wise topper. I have given just this prompt and I have put this in my Django. Okay, just see the URL. What is the URL? Show topper. Show topper is the URL. When I call the show topper, go to url.py. Show topper will call view topper views. Go to view topper views. This is view topper views, and here I have to use this from Django database models: import average, max, EF, expression wrapper, float field, and just go through it. I am not going to explain this video because this video will be very large, बहुत बड़ा लंबा video होगा. You just go through it, explore more. As I told you, this video is not for the beginners, and once you understood this, you can easily develop such type of MIS for schools, colleges, university, and sell it and earn the money. Okay, in next lecture I will take one more lecture where I will explain the basics of this query. Okay, and once I got these results, okay, I am passing this information as the context. Okay, context: students data, subject wise average, toppers physics, toppers chemistry, topper maths, class topper. Okay, I am passing this context as parameter to show topper.html. Now this context is passed, and in this show topper.html I will print students array, subject wise average array, toppers physics, topper chemistry, topper math. So I open this show topper.html code, and you can see here this is the show topper.html code which I displayed the data. If you see the data here, student report and toppers, just check it, student report and toppers. Okay, it is head 1. Next is all students home. I have even created the links. Home, I go to home, all students, okay, page not found. Class subject average marks. Here you just go through subjects average marks, and here if you see this physics, chemistry, math, subject average AVGS, subject average. So this is subject AVGS. Where did I got subject AVGS? If you see this subject AVGS, subject AVGS is stored in this variable subject AVGS. I can rename the variable. Okay, already I can rename this variable to ABCD, and here just I have to use here ABCD here, ABCD here, ABCD here, ABCD here, like this. Okay, whatever dictionary name value pair is there. So I have used these objects. Okay, in the code topper chemistry, if you see this, you can find this variable here, toppers chemistry. Okay, this it is using here copper chemistry. So I have stored the results in this variable, and these variables are used in this HTML code to display this. Okay, just go through it. I wish you all the best. Subscribe the channel and share this video, valuable video, to your friends and learn full stack development. I wish you all the best. Thank you. In next video we will see search operation. Thank you.